Hey YouTube, so start. I just turned it around the wrong way. Got a cat in here as well, playing. I'm just about to, this is the H801 board. I was having a lot of problems trying to get it to connect with the LEDs, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to flash it. There's a header over here. It has a ESP8266 on it. It also has, right next to the header, there's two pins there, if you can see those. I'm going to solder in a two pins in there and then just short them out, and that's the button to program the device. And then I'm going to try and put something different on it so that it actually works, and then I'll probably link it into my NodeRED hub. If you want to see any of that stuff about NodeRED, look back through my videos. There's a lot of stuff there and a lot of coverage on different things, and Peter Scarhill's programming skills for the NodeRED setup. And Pete's not doing too well at the moment. He's a bit sick, and a shout out that way. Hopefully he gets better soon. Yeah, so I'll put that in there and connect up to here with some pins. I've just got to find some in here and just do a bit of soldering. And yeah, next couple of days I'll have it programmed, and I'll probably put a video on that. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.